great breaking news for Amazon sellers who've been hit with unsuitable inventory allegations. So this is a pretty long video. Please watch it till the very end so that more and more sellers see this video. Unsuitable inventory allegations against Amazon sellers. So first, a little historical perspective on this, okay? There were a couple of sources of products, KZ International, for example, that were accused of selling stolen goods. I don't know if those accusations are true or not. I think the government was involved, but who cares? So Amazon somehow gets wind of this. Maybe the Department of Justice reached out to them, and they start banging sellers just like you, saying you brought in unsuitable inventory, but unsuitable seemed to be synonymous with stolen goods. So this has been going on for several months, and now it's expanded way past KZ International to other sources of products in Florida, in New Jersey, and California. So we've been working with just a small number of sellers to try and figure out how to help you, and we finally have some success. So here's the story. Number one, we are filing for arbitration against Amazon to recoup your money for your goods. Because even though Amazon has accused you of having unsuitable or stolen inventory, Amazon still sold a lot of those goods, and they also sold a lot of the goods that you had that have nothing to do with the questionable sourcing or accusations of being stolen. So you file for an arbitration. The next step in this particular case was that Amazon asked for interviews of our client, and we consented because our clients are just like you. They're hardworking, legitimate business people who just want to get back to making money. So our client had invoices for the goods at issue, invoices for all of the products that they sold that had nothing to do with the accusations. And through this interview process, and it was pretty extensive, our client was not only reactivated, but all $220,000 plus have been released. Okay, so if you have been banged with an unsuitable inventory issue on Amazon, go to AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Submit your name and the information, and either me or a member of my team will be back in touch with you. We are now winning, recouping money and recouping the accounts for unsuitable inventory accusations against sellers just like you.